Calling 2020 CR 9869B, State of Texas versus Christine Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Lorraine Friend?
Are you Christine Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision, and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Somewhat.
All right, what do you not understand?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Have you reviewed the motions
Oh,
to
yes,
revoke
I'm
with your
sorry, yes.
attorney? Do you understand them?
Yes, I did. These are,
Are you the same Christine Hernandez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 9869B for the offense of prohibited substance in a correction facility, drug, phone, or alcohol on November 10th, 2020 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
yes, ma'am.
State?
Violating condition number 2, on or about the 5th day of April 2021 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Christine Hernandez did then and there illegally use marijuana in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And Your Honor, we waive and abandon the other violations.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand that?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
Court would find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
There's not an agreement, Judge.
All right. I don't have a trial court certification on her. All right. We are back on the record. State, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're requesting that the court follow probation's recommendation, which is to adjudicate the defendant guilty and send her to SATIP for between 120 and 180 days, followed by aftercare.
All right. And what are you requesting?
We're requesting to be continued on deferred and be ordered into intensive outpatient treatment, which he's very motivated for. I mean, one thing I discussed with her was also some kind of mental health support.
Mhm.
I think she agrees and does feel that she needs that, and it appears to me that she would benefit greatly. She's never been evaluated. I'm not sure she has an actual diagnosis of any mental health disorder, but it does appear that some kind of mental health support is warranted here. Her sister and daughter are here. Both her daughters, in support of her. She does have family support. Her daughters do rely on her quite a bit. She currently resides with her mother and helps her mother there and helps her daughters. And so one thing that is causing her a great deal of anxiety standing before you today, of course, she knows this probation has been a mess. Yeah. But that her family does rely on her quite a bit. And I think she would, if the court would allow, just like to say a few words to the court about what she's requesting.
All right. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Christine Hernandez.
Yes. What did you wish to say?
Okay, I know that me being on probation and it was a second chance for me and I did mess that up completely. I wasn't thinking of anybody but myself, and I wasn't thinking of my kids. And I just ask you that you don't have sympathy on me, but on my kids, because
No, I don't do that here.
I'm sorry, but it's just that I haven't seen my kids and I saw them right now. But I haven't, I'm human. And I did make a mistake, and it was just like I was scared, and I did another mistake and another mistake and another mistake. And I don't want to make an excuse and say that I was not my fault. It was my fault.
All right. Let me just tell you right
I
now.
know better.
So at the end of the day, I'm not giving you outpatient treatment. So that's off the table.
Okay.
Either you're doing inpatient treatment or either you're going to prison. So which would you prefer?
I mean, whatever's best for me, I guess.
No, I don't know what's best for you. That's you know yourself. You know if you have a drug problem. Obviously you do, because we're here. You are not doing outpatient treatment at all because you can't write your own program. If you could have written your own program, you would not be here. You would have successfully completed this probation.
I know.
So, no, you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney, and better than the state. So you're either going to inpatient treatment or either you going to prison. And at the prison, I will sentence you to 3 years and you can be in the therapeutic community. And once you completed your term, you're done. But if I send you to inpatient treatment, if you are unsuccessful on this probation, you're looking up to 10 years in the prison. So which would you prefer?
Well, inpatient.
All right, I'll deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions. She doesn't need a new tap, does she?
Judge, her case, and her case expired November 9th of 2022.
Ah.
She will need a new tab.
All right, so your case has expired. So what I'm gonna do, violation number 2 is true. Gonna find you guilty. Alternate amend conditions. To sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended for 6 years. There's to be a TAP evaluation while in custody. Follow all TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends outpatient treatment, then we'll start with ISF, cognitive and substantive. And you said you're helping your children. How are you helping your children?
I'm everything to my children.
No, what does that mean?
Well, I'm the mom. Their dad's never been in their life, and I do everything for my children. I send them to school. I pay for everything that they do. I pay all the bills.
How old are your children?
My children are 20, 16, and 9.
All right. So who is the 9-year-old with?
The 9-year-old right now is with my mother.
All right. And the other child, who is she with?
They're all right now staying at home. They're with my mother.
They're with your mother.
Yeah.
Who is?
And I think they're actually present here today.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you need drug treatment. Otherwise, you shouldn't be in their life. Do you have any grandchildren?
No, I don't have any.
Okay. So TAP evaluation while in custody. Is there anything else she needs?
I don't know. Anything, but not prison.
After being ISF, since you have been adjudicated, which like any of the other conditions.
All previous conditions are to remain. And you're going to have to do parenting classes. I don't even know if you completed that yet.
I did. I have the certificate and stuff at home.
All right. And then after she's released, we'll do the UA hotline. Is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court?
Um,
All right. So she's going to remain in custody until that's done. Ms. Hernandez,
yes.
and we're off the record. Here's the thing. You cannot come to court and use the fact that your children need you to try to get sympathy from me and have me do something other than what I would do if you did not have children. What you should do is take care of your children in the free world and do what it's expected of you, and you wouldn't be here.
I know.
And it is a shame that you had to have your children come down here, because Deputy Laura will tell you, your attorney will tell you, and Deputy Mejia will tell you, bringing in your children to say, my children need me, doesn't really pull at my heartstrings, because I look at facts to see what's going on. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
And I think her sister would also say that she would be in support of some kind of mental health, that there is a mental health component here.
All
And so
right.
we were just gonna, I don't know if there's anything further. I think probably what the court has ordered is going to be sufficient. to
All right.
cover those needs.
But Sean, can you also do a a MIC evaluation? All right. So you need to let them know if there's any mental health issues. You understand? All right.
I think that would be good and help her be successful, actually, hopefully,
Okay.
get in the right programs.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Court is calling 2022 CR 1747, State of Texas versus Adam Raymond Sancho. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Looking for the state one?
defense?
Your Honor.
Are you Mr. Sancho?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. First Amendment motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. State's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes.
Are you the same Adam Raymond Sancho who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 1747 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram on May 19, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you? State?
Violating condition number 1, on or about the 14th day of December 2022 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Adam Raymond Sancho, committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with a vehicle in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? All right, you need to speak up so everybody can hear you.
True, ma'am. And Your Honor, we waived the other allegations, but the other violations.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor, on the motion to revoke, the defendant is going to serve 18 months of state jail. And then, do you want me to go on the?
No,
Other-
just this one.
Okay, yes.
Is that the agreement? 18 months state
Judicial,
jail?
I'm going to ask the court to recommend the therapeutic community forum and the 80-20 program. He does wish to request treatment. Please.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And you want me to follow this agreement?
Yes.
All right. Court will follow your agreement. The court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. Court will find you guilty, revoke you, sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. I will request the therapeutic community. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 2283. Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is calling 2023 CR 2283. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest detention with a vehicle? That's a 3rd-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Sancho, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
According to the plea, punishments be assessed at 2 years in the prison. The state will take in consideration 2023 CR 2282 and 2023 CR 5160, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea? Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? State, is that the plea?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence to support the defendant's no contest plea?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
Any objections?
Objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Sancho, did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, he really, I think, wants to get some sort of treatment. It was not on the table today, but we have requested that, and the court has graciously recommended him to go to the therapeutic community.
All right. Court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2023 CR 2282, 2023 CR 5160. This is run concurrent with 2022 CR 1747, and I'll request the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
No.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You're going to have to do better. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself in and out of someone's prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck.